Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic BricsCAD tutorials how to create Helix. To draw Helix in BricsCAD, you can type Helix, press enter, and in here I will press shift button and middle mouse to orbit and change view. Now I will select at this point for center point of ellipse, and you can set for radius, like I will set into 20 for radius. Now for the end radius or top radius, I will set again into 20. Press enter again, and then you need to set for height. So for the height, you can type h, press enter, and you can set for the heights, like I will set into 5 for between turns, and you can click to apply. So it will be automatically create the helix. So you can tap helix, press enter. Base point, I will click in here. And then for base radius, set into 50. For top radius, I will set into 30. So to be like this, top radius 30 and base radius 50. Now you can set for turn, you can tap T for turn. And I will set into 15. And for height, press enter again. I will set into 20. You can click to apply. And that's it. How to draw helix in BricsCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.